Hi, hello, welcome to today's session. So, we started our discussion from the chapter from trade to territory. So, in the previous session, we were discussing about East India Company begins its trade in Bengal. So, about that, British for the first time they established their factory on the banks of River Hooghly in the year 1651, and the factory had its large warehouse constructed where goods can be stored easily. For that, they can involve in export, and this warehouse also consisted an office where the company officials can gather and discuss about the other matter of trade activities. Then East India Company even it extended its persuasion in attracting local merchants and traders so that they can settle near the factory. By 1696, it also went with the constructing fort around the warehouse so that they can protect the goods as well as the other export uh, activities. Then, in the beginning of 17th century, East India Company got Jamindar rights over three villages, which included one of the village which is Kolkata. Present day, it is Kolkata. Then it persuaded the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb for issuing Farman or Dastak for granting company the right to trade duty free, tax free. With getting the Farman, company got a right to trade duty free, and private trading companies only allowed to pay the taxes or duty. So when company and other private companies refused to pay duty to the Mughal emperor and Nawab of Bengal, so it led uh, enormous loss to the Nawab of Bengal. Then in this today's session, let us discuss about the topic: how did trade led for battle? So after the Mughal emperor Aurangzeb, the Bengal Nawab asserted themselves as uh, powerful and into the power in Bengal region. After the death of Aurangzeb, Murshid Quli Khan he became the ruler of Bengal. Then after Murshid Quli Khan, Alivardi Khan, Sirajuddin, they became Nawab of Bengal respectively. So these Nawabs, Murshid Quli Khan, Alivardi Khan, and Sirajuddin, they refused to grant company uh, concessions and demanded large tribute as per right to trade. Here, tribute means Dana Dattigalu. So, along with that, these rulers, Nawabs, they denied company. Uh, they don't have any right to mint the coins. Mint means punching. Then they stopped extending fortification, construction of ports, and protection of their trading centers and warehouses. They are completely made to stop. Then, first important battle, which was mainly fought between the company and Nawab of Bengal, it is Battle of Plassey, 1757. So the Battle of Plassey was fought in the year 1757 between the British and the Nawab of Bengal. So this particular battle, it was declared as, it was considered as first major victory of company, that is British, in India. So the following are the reasons or causes. First one, in the 1757, Sirajuddin he became the Nawab of Bengal. So after the death of Alivardi Khan, and he was not willing to be puppet in the hands of British arms or in British arms. Puppet means kai gombe. Then Sirajuddin stopped company activities in meddling. Meddling means improper implementation of trade activities implemented by company, it was completely stopped, and along with that he stopped all the political affairs with Nawab of Bengal or with him. For fortification, he asked the company to pay the taxes. Then third one, Sirajuddin attacked English factory at Qasim Bazar with his 30,000 soldiers. Then all company activities, officials, factory warehouse were mainly locked or blocked. Ships and naval routes, they are also completely blocked. And finally, Sirajuddin he marched towards Calcutta in order to take control over the warehouse or trading center and block all the trading activities of East India Company. So because of these reasons, 5 different reasons, so Battle of Plassey was mainly fought between English and Siraj Uddaula. Then English officials from Madras, they were mainly sent towards Calcutta so that they can suppress the march of Sirajuddin. And Robert Clive, he led the company troop to suppress Sirajuddin in the year 1757. So, results and remaining battles we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Let me stop today's session and let's meet in tomorrow's session. Until then, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, and all.